Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday, fun day. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. It's finally getting warmer out, but not that warm yet. And now we got another Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys could get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Check these guys out and see what they have to offer. Here we go. Come on. God. There we go. We got it. No, we don't. Let me sharpen these scissors up. Dang. Maybe not. There we go. Rip it open right here. Bam. And there we go. Alrighty. What do we have here? Oh, this is by Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Processor, Food Processor, 3-cup work bowl. Cut nuts, not like Lorena Bobbitt, but peanuts and all that. Multi-function. I'm going to go in the kitchen, show you how it works. 3-cup work bowl, auto reverse, grind, chop. There's the grind, there's the, I don't even know that word. Ain't gonna try it, but that one. And we got puree. I know that one. Alright, Gordon Ramsay. Chop and grind, simple operation. Alright, let's take a look inside. So definitely, if you guys need one, this would be good for birthday gifts, housewarming gifts, and also like Christmas time coming up soon again. But we just gotta get through the summer now. What is this? Probably a cleaner. Bam. Go. Got the instructions at the bottom, but we ain't gonna need those. So Cuisinart. Go. Easy peasy. Here we go. I got some onions I'm going to chop up, show you guys. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Alright, take that off. Oh, that's protect this. Blade is right there. Be careful touching it. It will be sharp. You can tell how sharp that is. Bam. Don't want to cut your fingers, bleed inside of it. So be careful when you're cleaning it. Make sure you take this off first and then clean the rest. And you can probably use one of these to scrape around. But I'll show you in the kitchen. I'll be going there in a second. So make sure this is done right. There we go. Here's simple directions. Bowl lock. Bowl unlock. So we go. And that's locked. That's in. Alright. And we just put the lid on it. Like so. Boom. Look at that. Really nice. Nice for apartments, condos, office, small kitchen. Really cool. On the road. Take it camping with you guys. Plug it in. Boom. Alright, I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. Back again. We're going to set this up. Right there, it's plugged in. Got onions. Pop a couple in. That'll be good for the first batch. Put you guys down close to the action. Here we go. And then you put it in here. See that groove right there? Gotta make sure it locks in. There we go. It snaps in. Now we're gonna do chop. Whoa. Bam. Look at that. Got them pretty good chopped up right in there. Took a few seconds. So now, get the container, my other onions. Let's see what they did. Last. Oh yeah, look at that. Boom. All right. Now we lift, pull, and remember, be careful with these. These are sharp. And then you can take the scraper around here. Some freshly chopped onions now. See, that's the scraper to scrape it. Like so. That's really cool. Make sure you rinse it when you're done using it. But that's what it looks like, those little chopped onions right there. And there we go, make sure that's locked in like so. I'm gonna do a couple more red onions just out of the way. A couple more in there. Should fit a good amount, so we'll see how much you can hold without. There we go. I don't want to risk it. There we go. Now we're going to do the grind mode. Grinding. There we go. That's locked. That's locked in. Whoa. That might be a little too much. There we go. Look at that. Got them all. So we got little chopped onions now. I got pretty much all of them. May have missed one. Pull that out for next use. Oh man. That's pure eye torture right now. My eyes are watery. So we gotta dump this. Unlocked. There we go. Look at that. Bam. Oops. Almost forgot. There we go. Yeah, some good for burgers, salads. Make sure you chop it and get it all in one scoop. Easy to clean. So that looks good. One more time. We're going to do the grinding one, since we only have a few onions left now. Oops. Okay. Forgetting something. Put these guys in there. Get it all grinded up. There we go. Nice and easy. Okay, got it locked in. Push it. Boom. Alright. Now let's see what the grinding looks like. It's not bad. And remember, remove this guy. Here it comes. The onions. Dang, that's a lot of onions. Alright. Oops, there's still more. Oh, my eyes are watering bad. Hopefully it's not too long a video, but catch my drift with those. Oh, my eyes. Okay, we're gonna do the white onions, and then I'll be done. Oh, torture. My eyes are watery. There we go. Okay, put a clump in there, put a clump in there. Everywhere a clump. Oh man. Now these are done. Onions are done. Oops. Oh. Oh boy. Almost forgot the blade. there, pop in there, and pop one more in there. There we go. All right. There we go. Get those chopped. All right, YouTubers. So it does work really good. So definitely check them out. Amazon Prime link will be down below. Get one at a low cost. Be safe. Have a good weekend.